Welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress. Now I know I'm coming on here looking all raggedy and stuff, you guys, but we are on a crunch. We have 45 minutes to set up my new lighting system, and also I got a new makeup chair. It's the same exact chair as the one that you guys been seeing in all these videos, but something happened with the handle or something like that, and I had called and emailed Amazon. I was like, absolutely not. I was like, this chair costs $189. I haven't even had it that long or used it that long, so y'all gonna have to send out a new one. And they did just that. Shout out to Amazon. Absolutely love y'all down. The shipping is always fast. Y'all always help me with any issues that I have. So today we're just going to be unboxing the same chair that I had, and then also setting up my new lighting system for makeup, because I just was operating with one light, you guys, and I had to keep moving it from side to side. So now I have two lights that will sit on each side of my model's face, so that way I can have equal light on both sides of their face, so that way I can make sure I'm matching shades and everything correctly. And then also, you guys, and like I said, in 45 minutes I do have a makeup model coming, and I can't wait because I got a lot of goodies from the premiere Orlando, so I'm gonna be hoping that I can try it out on her today, you guys. But enough talking, you guys, let's go ahead and get everything set up, and then also we will do a video on my model when she gets here as well, showing you guys the makeup that I will be doing on her, you guys. And of course, if you like this series, building my business, building my brand series, becoming a professional makeup artist and licensed esthetician, you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and continue to support in the dream, you guys. And let's go, let's get started.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align.
Excited. So this is the newer light system, and I already had a newer light, you guys, the standard ring light that all influencer has, but this one is really good for photography and especially makeup, you guys. So most likely I will sell my other lighting system. Now I know one of my old co-workers, she was saying that it can operate on batteries, and also it can be plugged in. She said if you plan on using the batteries, just to make sure you charge them pretty much overnight, because they do take 18 hours to charge, you guys. But for the most part, this is what it looks like. And I love how they come in their individual little bags, you guys, because you might only need one, you know, at the moment. Or if you need both of them, then you have, you know, both of your bags or whatever. But I like how they individually package each lighting system, you guys. just because I am also a traveling makeup artist as well. So, you know, anything traveling that will make it easier for me to carry is always a plus, you guys. So this is just me opening up the lighting system here. Yes. So this is what she looks like. And I'm gonna just close it up until I put it onto the actual tripod here. And then this is the back of the light, you guys, and it has yellow light, white light, so you can of course turn these knobs if you need more power. And then this is where the 2 batteries go, but I don't think these came with batteries, you guys. It looks like it just came with these 2 plugs. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. So I guess the batteries are separate. I don't know, I would have to read the directions after my model leaves, you guys. But yeah, she's cute. Let's try to get her plugged in. Ooh, look, you guys. So I'm gonna just lower it so you guys can see how it operates. So this is the yellow light, white light. I wonder if you can do yellow and, oh, and you can mix it, y'all, period. Yes, you can mix the lighting. This is just yellow again. And then off. And this is like full-blown white light. Absolutely love it. And then let me sit here just to see what it will look like on the model. Ooh. Okay, so it looks a whole lot better. I still will set up the second light, you guys, just because, you know, with makeup artistry, you need a lot of light. As far as in my opinion, I know some makeup artists who do makeup in the dark. I already can't see. I can't do nobody's makeup in the dark. I need as much lighting as I can, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the second lighting, and then by the time I do that, my model should be here, you guys.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. believe them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's mine.
Guys, as you guys can see, the lights are booming and banging, y'all. I am completely happy with my newer lighting system, you guys. And of course, like I said, you can find this lighting system on Amazon. If you want, I can link the links below in the description bar. And also, if you are interested in this makeup chair, it is a director's chair by Tuscany Pro, and I will link the list to this below as well, you guys. I would say this is like the perfect ultimate setup for your makeup artistry, you guys, whether you're solo or if you're working in a studio. You guys, get 2 lights, a chair, and then you can work out of your makeup kit. I would say that is pretty much beginner friendly if you can invest in these 2 items. Also, I know with my previous coworker, she was able to find the lights on Facebook Marketplace, you guys, so they're definitely out there and affordable. But again, I'm about to get set up for my makeup model, you guys, and of course don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video, you guys. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below and I will be certainly able to answer all of your questions, you guys. And then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.